Hi everyone, Simon Barwick here from Bentleys Wealth Victoria. Welcome to our final portfolio and market update for 2025. Firstly, this is general information, so if you do have a specific question regarding your situation, please speak to your advisor. Well, 2025 has been an interesting year. It's categorised by early gains in January and February, but then we had a strong market pullback across both the ASX 200 here, the NASDAQ and the S&P 500, where the NASDAQ dropped about 20%. Since that point, in early April, we've had a strong rally in all three indices, where we got to highs in late October, but then concerns about inflation started to spread across the market as we received more and more data. And then we've had pullbacks into November, a slight rally into December, and then once again, we've had some more falls. But over the year, we're looking at returns of the ASX 200 about not just on 9%, the S&P 500 of about 17%, and the NASDAQ of about 20%. So overall, fairly strong year across those three indices. Looking into 2026, the major concern for markets now is really about inflation and how this is going to affect markets more broadly. Markets had priced in interest rate cuts into 2026, but there is a chance now we actually may have interest rate increases to try and combat inflation. The Australian inflation rate currently, or the headline rate, is about 3.8%, which is outside the RBA target. If we look at our portfolio projections going forward, and we look at our three scenarios that we look at, we still have a 60% chance on slowing growth, a 10% chance of a broader fall, and a 30% chance of a full market recovery or a strong rebound. Time will tell to see how these eventuate. Finally, we'd like to acknowledge at the time of this recording the tragic events in Bondi. Our thoughts are with the families of those that have passed, those that are injured, and the first responders who were on the scene. For our clients, we would like to wish you all the best for Christmas and New Year. Thank you again for your support, and we look forward to assisting you in 2026.